Lamarr was here back again for another video where I do fun boxes, and today I am going to unbox, well, they're already kind of out the box, unwrap. And this video today is brought to you by Dashlane, who's keeping you safe online. Helps you remember passwords, protects your social media, and especially your YouTube channel. We're gonna talk about that a little bit later. Let's get into this. All right, so just some background. I am new to Etsy. These are signs for each console or each company, and I just thought they were really cool. These are 15 by 4, just to let you know. I'm not gonna look at it. I honestly have not looked at these. I want to be really surprised. Pack these really well. Okay, I'm just, you know, oh Lord, this sounds so good. My neighbors are gonna have many questions. I hope it's not upside down. If it was upside down, let's laugh together. But anyway, let's take a look. First one. Oh wow, that looks great. Oh, and y'all been like, Lamarr, you don't do your PS4 stuff. Well, here you go. So this is a. Oh wow, this is nice. I believe this is plastic and this is etched on. On the back, so it's acrylic, cell class acrylic. I was thinking of putting this like on my cabinet where I have a PS4, like just putting it right there. But this is much bigger than I thought, so I'm not sure where this is gonna go. So, any suggestions? This room or maybe but where my amiibo are. But take a look at that. That is beautiful. These are really cool. Now that you know where I'm going with these, you know what the other two companies are. Okay. Oh, that's so satisfying. All right, here we go. Next one. I hope it's not upside down. Please. I mean, I ain't seen it. Okay, here we go. Ready? Oh, it's okay. All right, I'm an idiot. All right, ready? Why is it wood? Oh my God, because I bought bright red. Look at, all this comes, that is so satisfying. All this comes off. Oh, okay, let me take, you see? They really protected this one because all the letters. Oh, let me take all this off. I'll be right back. Okay, so that was some work. So let's do another reveal with it shining bright like a diamond. Rihanna. Okay, ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that looks much better. Look at that. I mean, the care they put to like cover each one of these so it was protected was for what I paid was above and beyond. There we go, Nintendo. So now you know the last one. You know the last one. Why it gotta be the smallest one now? I'm just saying. Like why it gotta be tiny? Why it gotta be smaller than all? You know that's the one. Okay. Just to make up for it. Oh, it's like popping popcorn in my hand. I haven't looked at it yet, but I just found out that you could take these backs off. So I will peel this one off now. So it looks like these other two, I can take the back off, and it's really just the color that's on the back. I got a feeling it's backwards again. No, because I was like, this is probably where it starts. Okay, ready? The last one, of course. Oh, I thought it was, okay. Wow. Okay, look. Oh, Xbox. Look at that. Got the logo. And got the, I like the way that they translate, like the one pops out and Xbox is very subtle. I like. You can pop somebody in the head with this. You better like Xbox. I couldn't help it. I just wanted to be satisfied some more. Look, I gotta get all this off. Oh yeah, just peel it off, baby. Oh, okay. Oh man, yeah. Oh yeah, I had to. Oh, see, there it is. I wasn't sure because I was like, maybe that's just the back, but no. Okay, so just a review. PS4. Oh, these are so great. Like, this is such a simple video. This shouldn't be a big deal, but it just is to me because they're just so nice. I mean, they can go anywhere. Oh my God. They probably go downstairs where they get, like, it makes sense to put it where my gaming is. I will do that, and in a future video, I'll give you a little mini tour and show you the results. So, there we go. Oh, like, very cool. Rose colored gaming. I'm gonna put a screenshot. You'll see what I bought. I'll put our store down there. Make sure you give us some love. I don't know. It says rose color. I just assumed the person's name was Rose. It's probably not. I don't know. But if you like custom stuff like this, make sure you check out the Etsy. I'm gonna be buying some more stuff from Etsy. Like this is a new thing for me. I'm gonna go crazy. Like fanning myself with all of them. Console Master Race. All right, guys, as I said, this video is brought to you by Dashlane. Now, what is Dashlane? Well, Dashlane is a software that's keeping you safe online. Also, a browser extension that helps you remember passwords, autofill forms, protect your social media accounts like your YouTube channel, and they're known to be the most user-friendly password manager on the internet. 50,000 5-star reviews. So what's cool about this, you get to keep all your credentials like your social media accounts, login passwords, all in one place. So Dashlane makes sure they encrypt everything so no one has access, not even them. They cannot access your password. That's how secure it is. I know what you're gonna already say, my browser can already do that. True. However, Dashlane is available across platforms, so iOS, Android, PC, Mac, all of those platforms. So we switch it back and forth. You don't have to be browser dependent. You have this one software that will take care of it. No matter if you use an Android 1 minute, then you jump into work and you're on the Mac, and you come back and you gotta use a different browser. It all works under the same program. I thought that's pretty cool. So you see here in the screenshot, this is what their software looks like. It's an independent software sits by itself, but it's also a browser extension. And I use it in Chrome. And it just remembers me. I had put my information in before, automatically logs me in safe. I can do that on another browser. I can do it on Android. And as long as I have the software, it'll work. I want you to sign up for Dashlane for free. They have a free 1-month trial, and it's their Dashlane Premium service, which covers everything. And I'll put that link below. And if you like it, use the coupon code. I'll make sure that's below too. And that'll give you 10% off your Dashlane Premium service. So Dashlane, thank you for sponsoring the video. Thank you all for listening. I appreciate that. And guys, I mean, in the comments, again, tell me where I should put these around the house. Like, I'm so excited. So, all right. Anyway, thanks so much for, I'm not fanning myself again. Okay, I'm done. I don't think hit me. Anyway. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Appreciate it. Bye.